vlog number 2 for quarantine. I am chilling like a villain on top of the ceiling. You know what I'm saying? It's Friday. Katie. I did do a lot today. I taught my little kindergartners today. We're learning how to write how-to books, so that's exciting. And then I edited some YouTube videos because the grind don't stop. And then I was on TikTok as per usual. And then I went to the store to buy some essential items. I wasn't just out here, you know, doing whatever I want to do. And now I'm on my way to go visit my girls, Mo and Tamar, because I haven't seen them in a very long time. And because we got to talk some business, some YouTube business. So I'm going to go and check on them and take y'all with me. We made it. I have no idea what I want to do for my birthday this year. Obviously, we might still be on lockdown, quarantine, and all that. So I'm not really sure if I'm really necessarily celebrating. I'm still going to celebrate. I'm just saying I don't know if I'm going to celebrate with like a group of people or just like very intimate. I mean, I'm only turning 26, so I feel like having parties is like getting played out. So, all right, let's go visit my friends. Woo-hoo.
What's up? Welcome to the Playhouse. My name is T.
Oh my gosh, I got a new little desk.
That's most
You got the Mac? Oh my God! Why didn't you see me? I brought the camera. I'm like, let me bring the camera so they can see and be inspired. And y'all got the iPad. Oh my gosh, welcome to the club. Oh my gosh, the Tam fam. Oh my goodness, y'all, literally. Hi, Ava. Say hi. Say hi. You want to vlog? Here. Take it.
Hey, friend.
Hey. Look at her. She ready. Huh? I brought the camera. So I'm gonna bring it so they can get inspired. And y'all got the whole iMac.
We did, but
Gosh, Ava, say hi. Hi. Oh, look at her holding the camera. What are you up to?
What you?
Say hi, guys. Say I'm making a YouTube channel. Make sure you subscribe.
Little car, yellow.
Say subscribe.
This is
She's ready.
say subscribe to my channel.
Hi.
Hi. What's your name? Say my name is Ava. Style girl. Hi, Rose. Say hi. Bien relax, fella. Ava, come back.
Hey.
Hey, girl. What are you eating? What are you eating? French fries? Yeah. Say I'm vlogging.
I'm ready.
I'm vlogging.
Go on, you
Say subscribe.
Hi.
Oh, she is ready. Ava's ready for her YouTube channel. Make sure y'all subscribe in advance.
No.
You passed?
You passed? We gonna celebrate. We gonna celebrate. Go Rose. Go Ava. Go Ava.
1, 2, 3.
Are pretty much officially done.
And I'm a junior,
FAQ.
and I'm one of the girls' school.
Say it again. Well, you're about to graduate Palm Beach State
Yeah.
this May. Oh my goodness.
Very
Wait, did you just start?
I know.
She took summer classes. She was not.
I wish. I was at Palm Beach State for 3.5 years. For what?
Really?
Playing around. I was playing around. Seriously. taking that financial aid, going shopping the next day. It was horrible. It is 7 a.m. on a Saturday, and I am up and about to do a makeup client, so come along with me. So I made it. I'm just setting up my stuff here. The lashes I'm gonna be using. So we're doing an indoor graduation. She's graduating with her master's. Congratulations, Whitney. And yeah, that's what we're on to today. And I'll show you guys some clips of me actually doing her makeup in a few. When will this all be over? Quarantine, literally. We're done. We're done with you. Exit, stage, left. Period. It's time for a haul. Alright, so I'm going to be showing you guys just a few things that I purchased during quarantine. I have not just been shopping. I have not really, this is like my first time actually spending real money during quarantine. Everything else has just been going to bills, paying off debt. I paid off officially one of my credit cards, so, but this is the first time I'm actually purchasing things out of all the months of quarantine. I just now am starting to purchase things in May, so cut me some slack. And everything I've purchased is pretty much affordable, so. So the places I shopped is obviously Amazon. I went to Burlington a couple days ago. It wasn't a hot mess. The line was just so long, but it was worth it. I got a couple items for other people and just a few things for me. When I say a few, I mean literally like 1, 2, 3. Like this. I got these flats from Burlington. They were 50% off, so I got these for $8. And it's just some regular flats. I am a teacher, so these are perfect teacher shoes. Something to just throw on for the day. Cute color. You can wear this with pretty much anything. A teacher could never have too many flats. And then I got just a pair of white Tommy Hilfiger sneakers. I don't normally wear white shoes, obviously, because they get dirty, but I figured, you know, it's okay to get a brand new pair. 4th of July is coming up, and I wanted to, you know, pair this with a cute little outfit. Again, these are out from Burlington, so these were on sale and they were 50% off. I got these for $12. The original price was $25. Next clothing item that I just got a cute little red flowy shirt. Again, teacher clothes. You can never go wrong with this. Just throw it on. You know, teachers, we always have to dress up for like different things like Valentine's Day and all other type of, you know, holidays. So a nice solid red shirt. This is actually Michael Kors shirt. It was on clearance and 50% off, so I got this for $10. Pretty solid shirt. All right, next I got a hat. Summer's here. I got a nice little Puma hat. It's light pink, real cute. Time to get into the Amazon goodies. see if I know what this one is. I purchased a microphone for my camera. Right now I'm using the vlog camera, but I purchased a microphone for my camera so you guys can hear me better when I'm recording makeup videos. Next we have a watch dock. I got this for my Apple Watch. Basically, it's just a stand that you can put your Apple Watch on just so that you can charge it better, and it has its own little house, which I think is necessary. This was about like $5. I got this from Burlington, not on Amazon, but I'm sure you can get it on Amazon too. You put the cords down this way. Let me go get it so I can try it out. All right, so here's my Apple Watch. So this is what the charger looks like for the Apple Watch. And you put that in here. You put that in there flat, and then you can pull your cord just so your cord doesn't bend and get dirty and stuff. Just a little cute little thing to put your Apple Watch on. You put the watch right on top. Oh, you put it this way. Duh. Oh, that's cute. Cute little charging station. So that one was from Burlington, but I'm absolutely certain you can get it from Amazon. Next, I got a facial roller because I'm gonna start doing my at-home facials. I know some directions say that you could put this in the fridge or the freezer, but like after you like moisturize and stuff your face. Oh my gosh, that feels so good, and I am not even being extra. It's so cold. Oh yeah. Stay tuned for my facial routine because this here. Alright, next from Burlington, I think I got a few more items. I got some makeup brushes because you can never have enough clean, brand new makeup brushes. So I got a few of them. I love these style of makeup brushes, like the gold packaging and stuff. Those are like my favorite ones to get. I already have this set, but these are just newer and of course, you know, fresh and stuff. So I always try to get these kinds because I like the aesthetic of having gold and rose gold brushes. I'm trying to not have any black or brown, any of those colors. I'm trying to have just gold ones. Look at that. Isn't that so cute? In like a clear or white container. And then I did pick up some e.l.f. brushes too because I'm gonna be doing a giveaway. So I brought these brushes for giveaway purposes. They're pretty sturdy brushes. They last quite a long time. I remember when I first started doing makeup, I used to always buy e.l.f. products, so I know how they work, and I won't feel bad about giving them away to other people because I know they will work good. So these are gonna be in one of my giveaway baskets because it's good to give away. I think that's it. I got one more thing, and it's just a tripod for my camera. Oh, one more thing. The last thing I bought is a massage gun. I bought a massage gun because, like, honestly, my shoulder be hurting. Like, ever since my car accident in 2017, like, I've been having like right shoulder pains like very frequently. I bought this from Amazon. It wasn't that expensive. I'll put the price somewhere on the screen. It works so freaking good. Like, if you ever have like pain in your legs, your shoulders, your back, your feet, you can use this on your feet. This thing is the truth, and you can speed it up with the plus sign. And then, oh my gosh, it just takes all the tension out from the day, honey. I think everybody who is advancing in age needs this massage gun from Amazon. It is so worth the money. It wasn't expensive. I think it's like 30 bucks. There's different pieces to it too. It came in this big old thing, that little case, and there's just different pieces on it. There's this ball point one. There's a flat one that's supposed to be like for the back of your legs. There's this one. It's like a cushion. Just different pieces for different like areas of your body that you were trying to target. Definitely worth the money. Like, if you have severe pain in certain places in your body, get a massage gun. It will help you tremendously. I promise you. Like, using this like after a long day of work is like, it's the best. It just gets it all out You go to sleep in peace, honey. So that's it for this segment of this video. Just showing you guys a few things I purchased. See, nothing too crazy. It wasn't like stuff from Fashion Nova, whatever. Like, I've been very, very responsible with my money during this quarantine. I hope you have been too. Pay off some debt. If you're getting a stimulus check, pay off your debt. If you are getting unemployment, pay off your debt, because you never know what's going to happen in the future with this whole economic crazy world we're living in. So pay off your debt. If you can, start a business. You just never know what's going to happen with money. So just do what you can. That's going to put you in a better position in a couple months and a year from now. So, all right.